So just wondering. I don't want to talk, you know, we're on motorcycles, but I don't want to talk about motorcycles, but, you know, I want to talk about what?
Pothole.
What in the fuck is wrong with you?
I hit a big pothole.
No, I just heard, oh!
Yeah, because I hit a pothole.
All right, you just scared the hell out of me. Okay, hit another one. I won't pay attention to it this time. Anyway, any of you guys out there with Harley Davidsons, I've been using what do you call it? Mobile One Big Twin 2050 in this thing since it was new. And you know, I keep seeing this Redline oil, and I use Redline products. I use it in a diesel truck, and, you know, in the fuel. And anyway, I keep seeing this thing, you know, and the whole oil change kit for $100 or whatever. The synthetic, and I think it's a real synthetic. I don't want to go into what's real and what's not. But the last time I looked, the idea was that it was still real synthetic. So anyway, I've been looking at this stuff, and you got a different grade of oil for each hole. And you guys with the, you know, the Harleys, you know what I'm talking about. One for the gearbox, one for the primary chain, one for the engine. And I hadn't done that with this. I just said, the hell with it. I'll just put, you know, like everybody else does it. Not everybody else, but a lot of people do it. And just put 2050 in all around and say the hell with it. Anyway, I put this stuff in, and it, now don't start hollering and screaming at me, but I did notice a seat of the pants increase in power. Now, not a lot, but I did notice something. I wonder if any of you guys that have tried that have noticed it. I know that it's easier shifting, and the gear oil looks like red, something red with pus in it. Yeah. But, you know, the engine oil looks like oil. Anyway, I was just wondering if any of you guys have tried that Redline stuff, what you think of it. I'll just switch to that, and we'll see how it goes. Just wondering. I was just wondering.
Watch the water. Wanderer.